Papercrafting friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Turquoise Dreaming, and I'm here today with a little Thrifty Thursday. So, in case you didn't know, Thrifty Thursdays had an open collab hosted by myself, and everyone's welcome to participate. All you have to do is use the hashtag and link my channel below in your description box. With the @turquoise dreaming, I should pop up and you'll be able to click on it and my link will be there. So thank you so much for stopping by today. I just got a few things because I'll show you what I wanted and then what I ended up with, because I had to have enough for free shipping, and this is all from a Temu order. And I'm trying not to purchase anything or go thrifting, but once in a while I need a couple things, right? So I wanted some magnets. I've never used magnets in my paper crafting, and I wanted some magnets, and I thought, I've been looking at them and it's so hard to tell the size on what size to get. I'm laughing because wait till you see how small these are, but I wanted to make sure they weren't too big. So let me show you what I got. This is like 100 magnets, all of this whole little stack here. And each one is, I could have sworn it, like when the guy in the, or girl, whoever, the listing had one on their finger and it looked bigger than this, but here's one. I could have sworn it was bigger than this, but that is, if you can even see it, that is one magnet. So I would say these are not too big, and I don't know if they're too small, but I just dropped that one. Who knows where it went? Okay, something to be careful with. Don't drop tiny magnets. It's here somewhere on my, I can get it with the other ones, but when I find it. But anyway, that's what I was after, and this is what I got. So then I also wanted some of these glue dots, or glue, I guess they're called glue dots, but they're in this little package. There's a lot in here. It doesn't look like a lot, but it is a lot. It's probably like 50 or 100 or something. And if I can get this open, I will show them to you. But yeah, I figured while I was ordering, they're kind of a similar thing. Actually, these are for attaching the magnets, is what I got these for. So, you just peel one off, so they're sticky on this side. Then you can stick it on a piece of paper, and you can also have something over here. I think this back peels off, maybe. I don't know, I haven't used them yet, but stay tuned to see how I use them. But at the moment, I'm still figuring them out, as you can see. But I think this little, I just can't get it right now. But I think this little part comes off the back and it's sticky on both sides, but I'm not absolutely sure about that. And of course, they didn't come with instructions, but I saw them on a video. Someone else using them on a video. I was like, oh, that's what I need. I need those glue dots and I need those magnets to do magnets. So that's what I got, and I got them from Temu. Well, so we shall see how they work in a future video. But those are the glue dots. See, they're nice and flat too, so, and the magnets are nice and small, so we'll see how they work. And then I also wanted a few trims, these two are because I wanted something different, and this one is rickrack in a color that I don't have, and it was this pretty yellow. I just thought that was so pretty, and there's a lot in here. I've ordered a couple packages of this type in different colors. I had gold and silver, black, and I don't know if I have any others, but I wanted this one too, this pretty yellow. I thought this is good for all year round, really. You can use it in the fall, which is coming up, and you can also use it, say, in summer or spring, type of thing. And I don't really make winter journals because I used to when I first started, but I decided I just would rather make a spring journal or whatever. I used to make winter journals and do like blues, wintry colors, but I don't do that anymore because I don't want to. But I just gotta do what I want now. But the next trim. I thought this was different. It's kind of like a rickrack. It's called, I think it was called Wavy. And it, like I said, all from Temu. And I haven't actually opened these packages yet. So that's why I'm trying to figure out how to open them. But here, so you can see it kind of looks like rickrack. It's pretty, it's, you know, quite a bit. This will last me a long time. It's not like I'm going to use this on everything, you know, right away. You use it a little bit here and there, and it lasts you for a long time. But it's like, almost like, see, it's like two pieces. It's almost like, or it looks like to me, looks like two pieces of rickrack together, which you could actually do if you wanted to put two colors together. You could do this and put two of your rickracks together, but these are, you know, kind of like sewn together here, it looks like. But red and white, I just thought that was something different, you know. I wanted just to have options for trims, you know, when I wanted something different. There you go, red and white together. So I thought that would be cool. So anyway, there's a bunch of it. And then the last thing, let's just put that to the side, is this one. And I kind of wanted some options for gold that weren't like I have, if you saw the video where I was trying or thinking about using gold rickrack, you know, which I love, and, you know, I think it's really pretty. I wanted an option that wasn't quite so shiny. So this is that. This is why I got this, with gold on it, but not quite so shiny as the gold rickrack. So that is what it is, because this is a ribbon. Here's the front, here's the back. It's nice and flat, easy to glue down or sew down. And it's the gold part here, the little like leaves are kind of, well, they are embroidered. They're, you know, machine embroidered, I'm sure, but still they are thread. So, and they're just gold thread. They're not shiny. So that's what I wanted. It does have this shiny down the middle, which is really actually very pretty, and not too, like if you just wanted a little something gold but not too blingy, this would be perfect. So you just have to be careful of the width. It's about an inch, I would say, maybe just under an inch, but I would guess it's an inch wide. So you just have to make sure you have room for the inch or whatever, that width. And I would be good to go, or you would be good to go if you were using this. But I got it on Temu, yeah, so, and there's quite a bit of it here. Like I said, you know, these things I just use a little bit here and there, and so they end up lasting me forever. It seems like, but just when I start using it, like I mentioned the other day, or I might be mentioning it to you in a future video, I had a blue one that I loved, and I was used it on a few journals, and then it was gone. So that's what happens. So then you get then you look for new stuff, right? So yeah, because I didn't have any more blue, but I have a blue one now that I picked up. Anyway, so that's everything from Temu to Temu today. I hope you enjoyed my new goodies, and stay tuned to see how I use these, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.